Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious stuffed capsicum. This stuffed capsicum has potato stuffing inside it and it tastes so delicious. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first let's make the stuffing. In a pan heat 2 teaspoons of oil. To that add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 chopped green chillies. Saute for a few seconds. Then add 1 finely chopped onion. Saute till the onion turns translucent. After that add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute till the raw smell is gone. Let's add the spices. Add half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Add a dash of water to bring everything together. Then add 3 to 4 boiled and mashed potatoes and salt as per taste. Mix everything together. Mix till the potatoes and spices come together like this. Now add few chopped coriander leaves and give it a final mix. Our potato stuffing is ready now. Keep it aside. Now here I have taken 3 capsicums. These are medium sized or small capsicums. Remove the top part of the capsicum like this. Run knife inside and remove the seeds. Then cut the downside slightly to make it flat so that it can stand. Prepare all the capsicums like so. And then stuff the aloo stuffing inside the capsicums. Press with spoon and fill it completely. Stuff all the capsicum like so. Now heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Place the capsicums. Cover and cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Now rotate the capsicums. Cover and cook again for another 2 minutes. Now rotate continuously and roast from all sides without covering. I have used 2 spatulas to do so. Our capsicums are well roasted now. And our stuffed capsicum is ready. Serve it hot. So our delicious stuffed capsicum is ready to eat now. These are so delicious and the stuffing inside is so yummy. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.